Audio Jungle.
Well, I think the biggest thing is getting the people of the village together and making sure that, especially my age group anyway, can get out in the night. And it's a get together with people we know in it. So that's what it means to me, is being able to get to know people and talk and see the films that we can't see anywhere else. So
Ffilm in Afan has given me a lot of skills. It's boosted my confidence of speaking it to the public, and this has been really important in university.
There's a very poor bus service up here. You cannot go down to town unless you go for an afternoon showing of a film. To go in the evening is impossible. So we bring the films with Ffilm in Afan, we're bringing films to the people. And this place, this building, had a history of showing the films up until the mid-60s, where it was very successful, and we're hoping to generate that again.
These areas used to be thriving, and there used to be cinemas, bingo halls, all sorts of things in the valley, and now that's lacking. So to have something available on their doorstep, people have really enjoyed.
Particularly in the winter, when a lot of us don't go very far because of transport problems and the weather. But there's somewhere to come at least once a month where you can gather together.
The wider screen makes such a difference, and things like The Hobbit, which I wouldn't have watched on television, I really enjoyed in the larger screen.
Well, the people who come are really enjoy it. Even when they don't particularly like the film, they like the experience. They like to come. They like to have a coffee, have some popcorn sometimes. But actually, to come out, it's an event, isn't it?
They obviously learned the artistic side and media side, and learning how to make a movie, and all the skills that are needed to create that. Also with learning how films are put together, they had an insight into that, especially when they're out on location. It really gives them an insight as to what really is involved in creating such a short piece of film.
My favourite part of this project has been drawing the characters for the animation bit, and making them move. It's really fun to do when it's different, and I want to do animating when I'm older. So.
And it's really nice to be able to turn to people and share it with them, whereas if you go to a cinema, you won't know the people beside you, and it's very rarely that you will sort of say to them, did you think it was great? So that's nice to be able to share your experience.
I think it's absolutely crucial. It's a really positive way of not just spreading film, but of bringing communities together. And we all get more and more isolated these days. It's a really good way of helping to counteract that.
If I had to sum up Ffilm in Afan in 3 words, I'd sum up as community, worthwhile and successful.
I don't think you can put it in 3 words, and I think everybody's worked and it has done a good job.
I think the animation project is amazeballs.
It's been brilliant. It sort of brought the world to Blind Grimby.
For me, it was a gratifying success. For the public in the village, I hope it's been a joy to them. Can't beat it.